What if I told you that you could have nearly 2 private acres, complete privacy, mature trees, and still just be minutes from shopping, restaurants, and Highway 63? Today, I'm showing you a home in the Woodlands that feels like your own private retreat. Brought to you by Jody Calvin and Mark Colbert of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Vision Real Estate. This home boasts 3 main level bedrooms, which includes a primary with spa-like features. The house itself is almost 3,800 square feet, provides tons of storage room, and has a backyard that's suitable for any family's needs. Okay, this is probably my favorite area of the house. We've got a screened in sunroom deck. Overlooks the well-landscaped backyard. We got a little garden in the corner. This is where I would be having my morning coffee, reading the paper. So let's go check out this room downstairs. Great, huge recreational room. Includes 2 bedrooms, a wet bar that makes me think Sunday night football, hosting a game night. Walks out to the back patio that you can have a fire pit. Huge, great big windows that let in all this natural lighting. This property in the Woodlands subdivision is a perfect blend of privacy, function, and elegance, while being minutes from downtown Columbia. I really felt at home here and could see myself enjoying all this home and community has to offer every day.